All right, this is what we're going to build today. It's a covered salt lick for deer, other wildlife, or maybe even your goats or other livestock. I've got it designed where it's got some gravel in here in the bottom that keeps it drained out. That roof up there is not going to protect it totally because rain can obviously wash in from the sides, but it will give it some protection. All right, let's get started. To start cutting the holes, this is the normal top of the barrel. This is the normal bottom. This is actually going to be our top. This is going to be our bottom. I'm just going to make a mark to just start somewhere. Then I'm going to come down 6 inches, make a mark. Then we're going to come 18 inches, that's going to be our first window. Then we'll go 6 inches. And we're back to 18 inches right there. Okay. All right, so now I want to transfer these marks to the other side of where the opening's going to be. So, they're kind of hard to find on this dirty barrel. I'm just going to draw a line. This is going to be my cut line. All right, so to cut these out, I'm just going to use a jigsaw, and you can drill a pilot hole, or you can just start it at an angle, and I'll show you how you do that. I've got our barrel down in, I've cut a hole about 4 inches deep or something like that. Took the bungs out so it can drain. And now I'm just going to kind of try to level it up a little bit. And I want to build the ground up, you know, to about here. So I dug down a little bit just to save me the trouble of having to haul in more dirt. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put gravel in the bottom, and that's going to make it heavy enough that it can't be easily knocked over. So all right, so my other camera died, but I've put gravel in here, and that's to let this drain, and then it'll drain out those bung holes in the bottom. But I've left it about 2 inches from the edge right over here so that the block can't just be pushed out the other side real easy. Then I've got dirt all the way around it. This is actually shale. That's my form of dirt around here, and that'll help anchor it into the ground also. All right, that's got the salt block in there and it's ready to go. I've got a game camera on this, and so in the next video I'll show you what shows up and what they do. Hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.